Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Now let's take a look at the gold market. Guys, on the daily chart situation, it's not really shows the big changes. Yes, we see the bounce up from this area that we have specified. This is, as you can see, the range between the previous tops, and gold market has retested it. Has formed here the bullish grabber. So some bullish signs are forming right now because take a look. Yesterday was the doji action. So indicates some indecision, and today market has exceeded the top of the doji. So we know that the doji usually, it's not the directional pattern, but the further direction will depend on the breakout. So depending on what extreme point will be taken out by the market. So if the market will move above the top, in this case the upper direction usually should follow, or if it breaks to the downside, takes the lows of the doji, it means that probably market will continue to move lower. So on the daily chart, picture looks relatively bullish. So it shows that chances on upward continuation could continue, exist on upward continuation. So, but let's take a look what on the 4-hour time frame chart we have. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, the situation is not as cloudless as on the daily, because take a look, that market doesn't show the signs of the thrust. So reestablishing of the thrusting action, reestablishing of the upward trend should take the shape of some thrust, something of impulse action. So fast acceleration should be seen here, but we do not have it yet. All that we have is just the harmonic swing. So take a look, the market has completed the same distance as it was here. It's the first moment. Second moment, take a look, the market wasn't able to pass through the weekly pivot point. It means that the 4-hour time frame chart doesn't actually support the possible reestablishing immediately of the upward action. That's why here we should watch for two moments. First of all, we have discussed this moment already previously, but I will repeat it. So our major point to watch for is this top. If market today will exceed this top, it shows upward action here, it will tell us that upward action was reestablished. So gold continues move with our big ABCD pattern on the daily chart. Until this will not happen, we should watch for a deeper retracement. And take a look that by this retracement, market has put the foundation for the possible free drive buy pattern here. So we have the free drive sell in upward direction that finalize the big ABCD pattern and trigger this retracement down. And now we could get smaller free drive buy pattern. So you can see that right into crossing on the 1618, 127 extension of the first drive and the second drive should stand the third drive. And what is more interesting, that will stand precisely in an area that we have specified previously. This completion point of the free drive sale pattern. It's also weekly pivot support one and confidence support. So if, other words speaking, if market will fail to continue move higher, in this case, the next level that we will be watching for will be 1155. And here, this will be the major question. Theoretically, this area is absolutely suitable for a possible upward reversal. This will be normal retracement, and the market will have the chance to turn up right from this area. And we will see what will happen here. But all necessary steps, preliminary steps, will be completed at this moment, because market will reach significant support. Market will hit the target of this reversal pattern and will complete another reversal pattern to the upside. That's why this will be an area where we'll be watching for possibly taking the long position. But first we will need to see market will get here. Also, guys, if we will draw another pattern initially that we saw, so this possible ABCD, this also exists, by the way. You can see this approximately gives the same target. So with this free drive, the ABCD here, initial ABCD, It's approximately the same area, so 11.55. So that being said, one of two possible ways should happen. First one, if market will move higher, then we could try and take the long position based on this recent swing. If this will not happen, the market will not pass through weekly pivot point, we should be ready for the further drop to 11.55. And in this case, we will be watching for this level already for possible taking the long position.